Oh gosh. Don't breathe in the Taco Bell dust. Like any reasonable person, I love authentic Mexican cuisine, but I'm also a little bit of a raccoon who loves Taco Bell. I keep a lot of the sauce around, particularly the fire, to, squeeze on whatever taco or chips I have lying around. But I also like to combine it with salt to make a seasoning that I can sprinkle on anything to give it just a little bit of Taco Bell goodness. You only need 2 ingredients for this recipe. You need salt. I like kosher. Just dump that in there. We've got about 1/4 cup. And then you just need about 6 or 10 sauce packets. You can do all fire, you can do all hot, you can do all mild, you can do a combination. Then you just take your saturated salt, put it on either a silicone baking mat or a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet, and just spread it out. And then you're just gonna pop it in a 200-degree oven until it looks super dry. Okay, so we can see that this is pretty dry and crumbly, which is good, but we wanna get every bit of moisture out. So what we're gonna do, all right, and you can see that there's a little steam because there's still some moisture in there. Turn it. And then we're gonna pop it back in there for another ½ hour to an hour. It's very crumbly now, so we're just gonna return it to the food processor one more time. Oh gosh. Now you have a lovely Taco Bell salt to help you live más. I like to put it in ground beef, particularly if it's going in tacos, but it really shines on popcorn, which is like 90% of what I put it on. All right, enjoy. Hi, it's Claire. If you're also a little bit of a trash panda and would like to see more delicious content like this, be sure to like and subscribe somewhere around here. Thanks for watching.